Okay, today we are talking about heated towel racks. So the first type of heated towel rack we're looking at here is a hydronic heated towel rack. And the way this works, you have hot water coming out of your water heater, and there is a circulation pump that is controlled by a timer and thermostat switch that will pump the hot water into one side of the towel rack. The water flows through the inside of these bars or tubes, flows out the other side, cooler, and back to the cold water side of your water heater. So you can see you have your cold domestic water coming in, you have your cold water supply going out to your faucets, your hot water supply going out to your faucets. But you'll note there's a T that's supplying hot water to that circulation pump, and there is a cross-fitting on the return line from the heated towel rack, allowing the water to return to the water heater.
Wow.
These are the more expensive ones. Obviously, you're paying for the towel rack itself, the piping, the fittings, the circulation pump, and the pump controller. It's a little more complicated. And there's usually a valve on the inlet at the bottom of the towel rack and a valve at the outlet on the bottom of the towel rack. Or sometimes they'll even use a thermostatic valve on the inlet side, as you see here. And they usually mount or bolt to the wall with these flanges that you see. Now, the nice thing about the hydronic heated towel racks is they'll heat up your towel and dry it, but they will also provide auxiliary heating to your bathroom as well, or whatever space it's mounted in.
Woo!
The second type I want to talk about is a simple, more cost-effective heated towel rack, and that is an electric heated towel rack. This one you can see simply plugs into a 120-volt GFCI outlet in the wall. You can hardwire these to a GFCI protected circuit as well. And again, they bolt to the wall. They make these also as freestanding portable units that have feet. So it can be out, doesn't have to be bolted to the wall. It can be sitting anywhere in the room as long as you can reach your plug. And here too, there's a little digital thermostat and timer switch at the bottom where you can control how long the unit runs and what temperature you want it to get to. So these are often less expensive and simpler. I've seen these anywhere from $65 to a few $100s. Obviously, the bigger, the more expensive they're going to be. You can find these just about anywhere online if you Google it. And again, they come in different finishes. And these can bolt to the wall or be portable where you can move it around. So you'll find these in fancy hotels, gyms, inside pools, spas. But the nice thing is, on cold winter days, you'll have a nice warm, dry towel when you get out of the shower. But the second benefit of heated towel racks is they improve hygiene, because the towel does not sit there for several hours, warm and damp, which is a breeding ground for bacteria, which makes your towel smell musty and can eventually irritate your skin. So these towel warmers are a great option to consider. And basically, these electric ones have an electric heating element that heats up the air inside the tubes. Some units will have a heating element that snakes all the way through each of the tubes. A third and final style is a liquid-filled towel rack that has an electric heating element inside that heats up a heat transfer fluid. Those are going to be a little bit more expensive, not quite as expensive as a hydronic towel, heated towel rack, but a little bit more expensive than just a regular electronic heated towel rack. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.